Today we're making light and fluffy buttermilk biscuits. We start with our dry ingredients.
2.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. I've put them both in here. 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda, and 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Mix that up, give that a good stir. 1/2 cup of butter. Cut the butter in there.
You want to have a coarse cornmeal-like texture when you're done.
You can use a spoon, a fork, pastry cutter, anything that works for you really. We want to pour in our buttermilk and give it a good stir. Get all your flour incorporated. Flour my surface. My dough onto it. Flip it over a little bit so that it's floured on both sides. And roll it out. These are so easy to make. They come out so delicious that you'll never want to buy buttermilk biscuits again. You'll want to make them all the time. Just a few minutes and they come out so good. I like to try to keep them in a square shape. You don't even have to apply too much pressure when rolling them out. I like to roll them up like this. Flour it again lightly. Get lots of nice flaky layers this way. Roll it out again. A little bit of flour. Try not to go overboard flouring them. I have my oven preheating to 425. I'm going to roll them again, sideways this time. Again, like I said, try not to over flour, just lightly flour. Flip it over. Try not to press down too hard when you're rolling so you don't destroy those layers that you're creating. Roll it up again. Level it out. Once we have them rolled out, we want to cut them out. them on our baking sheet. Give them a little room because they will expand. Once we have them on our baking tray, we want to brush them with a little butter. Just a little melted butter. That'll give them some nice color. You can also add honey to your butter. That's a really nice touch. Make sure they're well coated so you get some nice color. And bake at 425 for about 10 or 15 minutes. Once my biscuits are out of the oven, I want to let them cool off on a wire rack for a few minutes before serving. I'm just going to cut one open. So good. Get a little butter in there. I'm just going to do a little taste test. These came out so good. Look at all those layers in there. You'll get about 15 biscuits out of this recipe. They come out so light, so flaky, so incredibly delicious. They're absolutely wonderful. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you give it a try. Please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for more recipes like this.